Hello gamers, want to switch game in Fire Kirin? It's super easy, let's go. First, open the Fire Kirin app and log into your account. Now, go to the game lobby. This is where all the available games are listed. Scroll through the options or use the search bar to find the specific game. Once you find the game you want, tap on it and hit start to begin playing. If you don't see your favorite game, try updating the app or checking for new game releases. And that's it. Now you are all set to enjoy a new game. Which Fire Kirin game is your go-to? Drop your answer in the comments below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, and drop the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.